I can barely get to IHOP because there's so much beautiful scenery here. And I noticed that the birds here are very human friendly. They just come and park next to you and walk up next to you and act like you're a relative or something. There's a little birdie, and there are my feet. Just to prove what I say is true. Listen. This is the Hilton Hotel. And I'm going to go ahead and take a few steps and see if I want to continue to investigate this property. For now, I like what I see. How about you?